Good morning to everyone, student. Welcome back to online class. So, after your midterm exam, we are going to have lesson number 33 from class 7th GK. The name of the lesson is given as botany. So, dear student, your midterm exam is being over. Now we will start the post midterm syllabus. So, here we are going to start the first lesson, that is counted as lesson number 33, class 7 GK. So here in this lesson it is given that answer the following question. So in the botany, as the name of the chapter is botany, so every question is related with the botany. Botany is a branch of science. Okay, it is a branch of science. Botany, zoology is a branch of science itself. Okay, as the biology you people are studying in the 11th and 12th. So when you are going for the graduation and after graduation, when you are going for the graduation, the biology is going to be divided into two parts, that is one of the botany and another one is a zoology. So in the zoology part you are going to study about the animals, and in the botany part you are going to study about the everything, okay, like human bodies, skeleton and all. Now here we are going to see first the answer the following question. First one is, the seedless plants are called cryptogams. What is the spelling is given? CRYPTOGAMS. Okay. Then second question, the gas evolved during photosynthesis. So which gas is going to be evolved during the photosynthesis? That is, of course, it is oxygen. Everybody know this answer. Then third one, the plant that lives in the dark is called scatophyte. Phyte. So spelling is SCOTOPHYTE, scatophyte. So moving toward the next question, the expanded part of thalamus is dash, that is pedicel, PETICEL, pedicel. Okay. Then moving toward the next question, the following the flowering plants are called dash, that is angiosperms, ANGIS, sorry, ANGIOSPERMS. Next, the harmful substance present in tobacco is dash, that is nicotine. What is the harmful substance present in the tobacco is? That is nicotine. Next question, the food crop that has the maximum content of protein is soybean. So which is the food crop which is having the highest content of protein? That is soybean itself. Next, the fungus that yield penicillin is penicillin. Okay. Next, and edible fungus is mushroom. Yes, everybody know. Next is having respective surface area of the carpel is stigma. This is a science part, isn't it? This chapter is based on the science. So here the name of that is carpel is stigma. The vegetable that has low calorific value is cabbage. Okay. The heaviest plant is giant squasia. What is the heaviest plant is? That is giant squasia. Next, the end product of the photosynthesis in plant is carbohydrate and oxygen. Then the next, the rubber vulcanizing process was started by Charles Goodyear. An example for animals is rice. So here we have completed the explanation of chapter number 33. Moving toward the next chapter, that is chapter number 35. The name of the chapter is Marvels the Human Body. So here in this chapter we are going to study about the human bodies. So here the zoological name of man is Homo spanies. Okay. The number of bones in the spinal column is 33. The average blood circulation of an adult human being is 5 liters. The average number of heartbeats in a human body is 72 per minutes. The oxygen of circulatory system in the body are arteries and veins. The total number of bones in the human body is 206. The gland associated with goiter is thyroid. The gland that controls the endocrine gland is called pituitary. The longest bone in the human body is thighus bone, that is femur, femur. The part of the brain that controls the motor function is cerebellum cortex. The nerve that carries impulse from the eye to the brain is optic nerve. The enzymes that convert starch into maltose is amyloid. The protein present in red cell of blood is hemoglobin. The structural and the functional unit of the nervous system is neuron. The other name of endocrine gland is ductless gland. Okay, so in this way every name is given. The blood vessels that carry blood to the kidney is renal arteries. Okay, so here we have completed the lesson number 34. Moving toward the next lesson of GK, class 7th GK. Here plantation puzzles is being given. Here the puzzles is given, 7 puzzles we have to answer it. So a medical tree you have to name as neem. Then a tree with fusing root, you can see it at Kolkata Botanical Garden, that is banyan. You can find this tree on the beach of Goa, that is coconut. The shape of this tree made glue kikar. Then next one is you find this on the mountains of Shimla, that is pin. The fruit of this tree is yellow, has only one seed, that is mango. You use the wood of this tree to make furniture and windows frame, that is leaf. A mountain tree is fir, FIR. Okay, so here we had completed the lesson number 35. As the lesson number 35 is a very small lesson. Okay, nothing is there, only just you have to solve the puzzle according to the column given. Next lesson number is lesson number 36, health is wealth. So here we are going to see one by one the question. The hepatitis causes me to swell up liver. When I get infected and influenced, doctors call it kidney. Lack of iodine causes me to swell up thyroid gland. My problem started with a shooting pain called angina heart. Next, eye. Next fill up joint. Next fill up salivary gland, lungs. Okay, like this. When I am exposed to the sun constantly, I get tanned and developed allergy, that is skin. When I produce less insulin, I causes diabetes, that is pancreas. So dear student, here the answers is being given in the clue box also. Now we are going to see the same lesson, deficiency of this vitamin causes the diseases, that you have to find out. So this you had already studied in the class 6 7th science. So here we are having the first vitamin A, which diseases it causes, that is night blindness. Okay, vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, scurvy. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin E, blood clotting. So these are the name of the diseases which is causes due to the deficiency of the following vitamins. Okay, so here we had completed the lesson number 36. Hope you people understood the lesson number 36. So here lesson 33, 34, 35 and 36. 4 lessons are over from class 7th GK. Okay, this is the portion after midterm exam we had taken. So here we had completed the lesson number 33 to 36. Hope you people written the answers by seeing from the screen. So for today, thank you everyone. Next video you will get next week. So for today, thank you.